Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle when the area of an equilateral triangle is given as 36 root 3 square centimeter. We have given 4 options. This is a very important MCQ for class 10th and 12th math syllabus. So let's start with a solution. Here we have been given the area of an equilateral triangle, and we know that an equilateral triangle is a triangle with all equal sides. When all the sides of an equilateral triangle are equal to A, the area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 A square. Or we can write it as root 3 by 4 side square. By using this formula, we can find the side of the equilateral triangle, and by finding the side, we can find the perimeter of the equilateral triangle. So area is given as 36 root 3 square centimeter. And let us say that the side be A centimeter. Then area will be equal to, using the formula, root 3 by 4 A square, where A is the side of the triangle. A is given as 36 root 3, substituting the value of A, equals root 3 by 4 A square. As we are finding the value of side or A square, we keep A square on the right hand side and will transpose all the other constants on the left hand side. So that's going to be 36 root 3 times 4 divided by root 3. Or we can write it the other way, putting A square on the left hand side. So A square will be equal to 36 root 3 times 4 divided by root 3. And we can simplify this because root 3 and root 3 gets cancelled. And A square will be equal to, so A square will be equal to 36 times 4, or A will be equal to 6 times 6, which is 36, and 4 can be written as 2 times 2, or A will be equal to square root of 6 square times 2 square, or A will be equal to 6 times 2, which equals 12. The side of the triangle is 12 centimeter, and as it is an equilateral triangle, we can find the perimeter, which is equal to A plus A plus A. All sides are equal. So perimeter will be equal to 12 plus 12 plus 12 centimeters, which equals 36 centimeters. So the perimeter of the triangle is 36 centimeters. Let us check the options and circle the correct answer. Perimeter is 36 centimeters. So our option C is correct, which is 36 centimeters. So this is how we can find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle when its area is given to us. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.